Bonjour à tous, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start with TEF writing along with timer. Okay, so let us understand strategy by taking one sample. Incendie s'est déclaré hier soir dans une scène immeuble résidentiel du centre-ville de Lyon. Le feu aurait commencé vers 2 heures au 3e étage du bâtiment. Plusieurs habitants ont été évacués par les pompiers. Now what to do? Let us follow these steps, simple steps in writing answer within 10 minutes. Let us analyze, then plan, then write and check. Now what to analyze? Answer where we come to know what happened. There was fire. Okay. From here, wait. And these are the words which are indicating our answer. What is the second? When it happened. Right? When time is given 22 hours. Right? 22 hours. Now where it happened? Where it happened? In centre-ville de Lyon, in the center city of Lyon. These are the questions that we are going to analyze in 3 minutes. Now, apart from that, we analyze what is missing in the given statement. Now, what is missing? What is missing? We need to think about it. The missing information is about what happened next, right? What happened next? Then what was kind of investigation? What was kind of investigation? Then what are the consequences of this event? Consequences of this event. And what is the current situation? Current situation. So it will take hardly 3 minutes to imagine this part. This quickly we can find from the statement. Writing part. In writing part, what we are using? Past tense, passé composé, and perfect most of the time. Right? Now we are going to build up logically. We are writing sentences logically. Let us start right after this statement. Les secours sont rapidement intervenus. So the firefighters, they rapidly went there, right, for control of fire. So what type of tense we are using here? So rapidement intervenus. What is this? Right? H form, and this is verb form participe passé. So which tense we have used here? This is passé composé. We have used passé composé to tell about completed action. Completed action, we are using passé composé. So this is selon les premières informations, according to the first information provided. So this is quite journalistic style of writing, right, which is really perfect for writing news article. Then let us write about cause. What could be possible cause? Le feu aurait été provoqué par un court-circuit. Now what has happened? The fire, the cause behind the fire, it was short circuit. Okay. So here we have written cause. So logically we are building up our writing. Firstly, we have started with the action, what happened next. Then we are making it in continuity, right, using the connectors, then defining the cause. Now let us come, what are the injuries? Injuries. été légèrement blessés. Only two persons they were injured, they got injured. Les autres résidents ont pu regagner leur logement. The other residents, they went to their homes. So this is logically building the writing section. Now let us understand, here we are writing about injuries. Here we are making continuity of the event and how we can finish it. What would be the closing line? By giving statement. What was the statement of the authorities? So let us say that they have given some kind of statements. Les autorités rebelles. So some statement was given by the police. So this could be the closing line. So we have written, right, section A within 10 minutes, analyzed it within 3 minutes, and planning it was done within 4 minutes. Now let us check our work. First thing that we will check, it is whether 80 words we have written at least. Second thing, we will check verb agreement. Verb agreement. Right? This is passé composé if we have written it correctly. Then the second thing, for example, here we have written two persons. So this is plural. For this, we are using blessé. Again, this is plural. Whether we are using correct form of articles, plural form, then if we are using correct past participle. So during checking work, we will come to know if there is any mistake in any word, spelling mistakes. So this is complete writing section A along with time management. Tenses we have used to describe main event, passé composé, background, imperfect, whenever cause it is not confirmed, conditional passé, official statement, we can write it in present tense, then new style, passive voice. So I think this video is helpful for TEF writing sample section A. And if you need a complete sample answer for this statement, please comment. Write in the comment section, section A, and I will provide you PDF totally free. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming TEF videos. Thank you. Merci.